Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to share with you guys 2 looks, 1 palette using the Emily the Ones palette. So I have come up with 2 looks. Obviously I'm wearing one of them. I did do 2 completely different looks, 2 completely different styles, just so you guys can really see multiple colors being used in this palette. If you guys want in the future, I can do more looks, some maybe makeup play dates or talk to tutorial, get ready with me, whatever it is, I can do more looks with this. But you're here to see 2 looks, so if you are interested in watching them, just keep watching. Today we're going to do the first look using the Emily Ones palette. A lot of you wanted this one to be used in 2 looks, 1 palette. So I have been playing around with it, as you guys can see. So today we're going to do something that I haven't done yet in my own personal time testing this palette out. So I'm going to use Laugh Cry, which is right here. I'm going to put that as my transition shade. I'm going to try to do something burgundy to kind of match my shirt. So I'm going to place this in my crease first. This is a very pretty color. I want this to stand out. So now I'm going to go ahead and go with the color Cheer, which is right here. It's another matte shade. And I think, let me grab it. I think I'm going to do the outer and most inner. We're going to do a halo look. I think that's what I want to do today. So that's what we're going to end up doing. So I'm just going to grab Cheer and build it up on the outer part and inner part of my eye. Here comes the cricket. He has been quiet until I talk. Thank you, sir. That old brush that we used, I'm just going to blend these edges out. Let's go with Pizzazz, which is right here. I'm not going to wet it, just to see the impact of it. I'm going to grab a flat shader brush and put it in the center. Now I want to go back to Laugh Cry, which is that orangey shade right here, and just kind of make that a little bit more pronounced in here. And then build up a little bit of Cheer, which was that burgundy, right on the outer part. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to just grab Cheer and then put Pizzazz in the center. So I'm going to grab Cheer, put it in the outer part. Bring it in the inner part. And then grab Pizzazz and put that right in the center. Okay, so I think we're good with the look. I'm going to actually put my aqua liner just to make it more fun. Do just a black line on my upper lash line, no wing, and then mascara and lashes, and then I will come back and we can finish the rest of the face. So of course, I thought I was recording and I was not. I did my lashes. This is what the look came out with. I didn't go with too dramatic lashes because I wanted the eye look to show, which I really like. I did use this, so I'll finish it off with you. I'm using the Needs palette from her. I used the bronzer in Courage on my cheeks, and then I grabbed Joy, put it on as a blush. So now for highlight, I'm going to use Gratitude. Might as well while I'm here. So I'm just going to pick some up and put this in. It's really pretty. It's not super in your face. And then for lips, I'm going to use my Bite Beauty Multi-Stick in Cashew, which is this burgundy shade, which I really like. Alright guys, now for look number 2. Today we're going to film look number 2 using the Emily Once palette here. So I am brainstorming. I'm going to do something different that I haven't done as always. So I think that I have an idea. So I'm going to go in with Midwest, which is right here, as my transition shade since I have not used that shade yet. So we're going to play around with that one. Right now we're going to place this on our crease. As you guys know, I always do my face, bronzer, and I haven't done my blush today. I did not use the bronzer from the Needs palette today, but I did use it in the first look. I am going to go into the shade called Family, and I'm going to put this on the outer V and then bring it in to the crease as my first transition shade. I want this to be like a darker color. Blend this out. Now I'm going to go into Pi or Pi-Fi. I don't know, it's not in a sorority ever. And I'm going to pack this on the outer part. Blend that out. Now for the lid, I'm gonna grab Grateful and Side Hustle, which is these two green shades, kind of mix them together, placing Hustle more, or Grateful I mean, more in the inner part and bringing this up. And then Side Hustle on this part. I'm going to grab this shade right here, add a little bit of this shade on my lower lash line. Alright, so I'm going to just do a black line on my upper lash line, black in the waterline, some mascara, lashes, and then I'll come back to finish the rest of the face with you guys. Okay, so I didn't do wing, but you can do wing. For my cheeks, I'm going to use this multi-stick from Bite Beauty in Cashew. I know I used this in the last video, but I really liked it so far, so I'm going to use this on my cheeks. For highlighter, I'm going to use my Tom Ford Mood Light before I lose my tan. For lips, to keep it simple, I'm just going to use the same cash. So this is the second look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm pretty sure by now you have seen a review on this palette, and you have seen the second look, obviously. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will link this palette down in the description box if you are interested in it and purchasing it. It is permanent, so it's not limited edition, which is great. So I could do more looks in the future with it if you guys want me to. Thank you again for all of your support. I will catch you guys in my next video. And don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye, guys.